din humapit eh. Sumama ba? Ay, hindi tayo dapat.
Nakawala kang ticket. Pero kanina hindi na ako hinanapan.
The first thing I want to share to you is that God in Jesus will remove the judgments against you. Pakisabi na, remove the judgments against me.
O kaya doon lang sa baba para makakuha tayo ng
I'm in a helping ministry. And I help people. And I try to reach out to people. Ang karaniwang problema ng mga tao,
kaya rin ako nabi.
yung mga
Kumain ako ng breakfast. Diyos ko parang Diyos ako nagbago. Sa dami na magpakaya sa buhay.
and we need to hear God. Alam nyo, I was
Kaya ayoko kakain pag-aalis.
I was giving a seminar in Thailand. Tapos mabilis lang yung seminar na yun. Kumbaga, lipat ako doon, bigay ng seminar, tapos uwi, overnight na. So I gave my seminar. Alam, sino dito tatay at nanay na taas na kunain? Sino dito tito at tita at mga pamangkin, taas na kunain? Yan. You will identify what I say is, pag nalayo ka sa pamilya,
Nakakainis.
iniisip mo yung anak mo. Iniisip mo sa anak mo.
Kanina nagawa ko.
Mas minaliit para pasalubong. Tama ba? Tama ba? So I was there, I was giving this seminar.
Walang katulad nito.
Tapos
Ano
ang
talaga?
seminar, takbo ko sa mall. Bibili ng
Hindi, bababa mo ito.
Benedict, 8 years old.
Isa lang
Francis,
pinipindot. Sa
years
akin
old.
marami.
So inisip ko,
Kanina nagawa ko eh.
after the seminar, mga 8 o'clock ng gabi, 8:30, takbo ko sa mall, pagtakbo ko doon. Wala na mabili. So sinabi ko, I was so frustrated. Alam niyo, you know what I felt? Dati sa akin, I felt an ache. An inner ache
Ayan,
in my
detect si
heart.
Joanne.
Because I wanted to give something to my children I could not. Do you identify? Kinabukasan, pagising ko, lipat lang. Late kami sa airport. Hindi ako makabili sa duty free. Alam nyo, I felt the ache again in my heart. Wala akong mabili gusto maliit para sa anak mo. Gusto ko i-bless sila, hindi ko sila ma-bless. Tapos, nung nasakay namin ng aeroplano, salvation came. Yung stewardess, ay inumulong-ulong sa akin.
Sinta naman.
Duty free, duty free, duty free. Tayo agad ako. Barbaro.
Ayan si Joanne. Ayaw mag-zoom.
Tapos may laruan.
Ano sasabihin ko saan?
May laruan.
Oo.
Isa na. Meron na.
How ka mo kasi pinipress ko ayaw.
Inuwi ko yung plano, dalawang piniliit. Tapos pag uwi ko, hinahapon na dalawang anak ko, tumalon sila. Tapos nandun sila nakatayo, sinabi ko, surprise for you. Alam mo, yung bunso mo, Francis, 3 years old, gusto niya makiroon na. Tapos sinabi ko, okay, a surprise for you. Alam mo yung anak ko, yung talaga, ha? Talaga tumatulog na. Alam nyo? Puputulin ko na yung kwento, pwede. Mamaya may ito i-continue na. Pero, do you know this certain type of prayer? You know, hindi ko nagdadasal eh, Lord, I do not deserve your love. I am wicked, I am evil, I am a worm. Lord, I'm a worm. I am the bacteria in the worm. Yung matapos dadasal ng ganun, yung ang tawag ko doon yung I hate myself spirituality. Yung feeling nila, the Lord will be pleased with them if they hate themselves. Does the Bible say you're a worm? Or does the Bible say you're a child of God? And I'll tell you why I know this prayer. Because I prayed this way many years. I hated myself. I don't know if you know my story. I was molested as a child. I was raped as an 8 and a 13-year-old boy. I experienced so much breakup in my soul and in my life. God healed me, God changed me. But you know what? I hated myself. And it contaminated my spirituality. And in this, brothers and sisters, when I understood the gospel, I understood the love of God. I understood what God was saying, He was Father to me. Pwede ko ituloy yung kwento? I have a surprise for you. Binigay niya yung regalo. Grabe. Isang araw, buong araw, tuwang-tuwa siya. Brothers and sisters, imagine if I went home with my little toy things and I said, I have a surprise for you. And my little boy said, no, Dad, I do not deserve your love. I'm a worm. What will I say? Halika na tutang tayo sa mental hospital. I want you to know that you have a God who is a Father. And He aches in His heart if He cannot bless you, if you refuse His blessing. Put your hands over your chest with me. Everybody say, God loves me. Everybody say, God loves to bless me. Yakapin mo yung katabi mo. Yakapin mo. Sabihin mo sa kanya, yakap ni Lord ko.
Yakap ni Lord.
Gusto ngayong hapon punta ako. May tripping pa ako. May kliyente pa ako.
Not only that, but God is a God who will fight your enemies.
Bakit sa mga
Nag-represent na natin sa He is a
Ay,
God
kahit
who
pupunta
will
rin siya.
remove our
Eh, bukas,
fears.
dadalinan mo sa ospital ng itong
Si Bishop Chito kanina,
Natanggap
when I was sitting beside him, I told him, kasi we were trying to compare notes on what we were going to share with you. And I told him, Bishop, magkikwento lang ako.
Kikita siya.
Gusto ko
Dahil,
magkikwento. And
nakakalakad
sinabi
siya.
niya, ako rin.
Paano ako, hindi na ako
And I'd like to share with you 2 more stories today.
Nakikiusap kasi.
Because this is really what it's all about. We're changed by the stories that we hear, the stories that we tell.
Kasi,
Alam niyo,
yung hanap
nakita mo,
buhay ko.
I was thin. If you think I'm thin now, I was so thin then. Paglalakad ako na nakabukas yung electric fan na naka-number 3, kailangan may hawakan ako. Ang tawag sa akin, ref. Hindi na referee, refugee. Ang tawag sa akin, tipak mo. Alam mo, nang maliit ako, binubuli ako. Wala na akong magawa. Naalala ko, pasok ako sa school, nilang bag, bigat-bigat ng bag ko. Paglapat ko sa sasahig, sisipa na ang bag ko. Tapos, they'll push me. And then they'll call me all sorts of things. Ako, wala akong magawa. Minsan, habang nakaupo ako nun sa klase, lumapit sa akin ang bully of all bullies. Ang tangkad-tangkad niya, ang tanda-tanda niya, kasi 3 beses na siya nag-fail. Lapit siya sa akin, takot ako. Sinabi na, Sanchez. May bigote na siya, pero ino siya, may bigote siya. Sanchez, tulungan mo ako. May homework tayo. Pinatang niya yung notebook niya sa akin. So tinulungan ko naman siya. Habang tinutulungan ko siya sa homework, wala akong magawa, pinotebook.
Kasi idadayo
Ang laki
siya.
naman.
Kaya gusto ko.
Klase ko, sinabi niya, pangalan pa niya si Jessie. Siya ang tawag namin taong batong
Kaya
Superman.
pumapasok sa
Laki.
school.
Iba.
Ginagamit
Sinabi
nilang
ni
ano.
Jessie sa akin, Sanchez. Oh. Binibigyan ko ng problema.
Pinapatay nila lalo yung tao.
Sinabi niya, well, as a matter of fact, yes. Sinabi niya, kasi ako bahala sa kanila. Alam niyo, kinabukasan, pasok ko sa school. Dapat na, kasi lumalapit na yung mga ibang bullies. They're calling me names again, they're showing me, sisipain na yung bag ko, dumating si Jessie.
Hindi talaga mag-zoom yan pag video.
Sa paligid at sinabi
Pag
niya,
video,
"Kaya
hindi nagsusum.
ko."
Kasi hindi lahat ng feature ng camera pwede sa video. Pero hindi, ba't yung akin nagsusum?
If
At
you
sabi ko
are
kanina may zoom
envying ko,
Kasi may brochure. Ako pala yung ganda yung brochure eh.
umalis si Jessie. Simula na, hindi na ako nagugulo.
Zoom.
Grabe.
Yung mga feature na hindi mawawala.
Share that story.
Kahit ano-ano
Because
yung
sometimes in
ginagawa.
life we get bullied. We get bullied by our problems.
Posible
We get
yun.
bullied by situations that are very
Eh
difficult.
ako yung brochure.
Maybe
Ako
it's
pala.